Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. I'm at the 2019 SPE Annual Technical Conference in Calgary, and I have with me Rob Schaup with Gyro Data. Rob, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me, Linda. It's a pleasure.
So I understand you recently launched the Quest GWD tool. Can you just give us a brief overview of this technology?
Sure, I'd love to. Let me just point out, this is a spinning mass gyro. This is where we came from. And now we've proceeded into what we call the Quest. The Quest is actually solid state technology that gives us a lot of benefits. Primarily, one of the benefits is that it's extremely rugged compared to this spinning mass gyro that was extremely sensitive when we first started out, even though we progressed considerably through the years and have made this a lot more stout and resistant to shock and vibe. It's nowhere near what the Quest is. So the Quest has actually given us the opportunity to go to places like the Bakken in the DJ where it's extremely rough drilling and survive that drilling. So our survivability is the same as an MWD sensor that everybody's familiar with, measurement while drilling, that are magnetometers. So we've come a long way, and we feel like we can really move out and do a lot of really neat things with this in the future.
So I understand that you believe this tool can actually replace MWD in the future. Can you tell us more about that?
Sure. So primarily gyros, their reference is the rotation of the Earth, which is very consistent. Magnetometers, MWD packages, actually sense or are referenced off of magnetic north, which is moving, and there's a lot of variables that can affect those particular sensors. So not tomorrow, but maybe at some time in the future, we feel like this technology could possibly replace that. One of the benefits we feel to this technology is that we can actually run this throughout the entire wellbore, through the horizontal section. Historically before, we were only able to do the softer formations, the kickoffs and things that were more benign at surface. But this ruggedness and the fact that we can actually gyro compass in a horizontal mode takes us into a whole new frontier with this technology. So we feel that that's one of the reasons that at some point in time, we could possibly replace MWD sensors.
And can you tell us some of the initial results you've seen from the field application for this technology?
Sure. So we started out with this technology. We actually were running two independent sensor systems. We've done that several times. We had east-west as an anomaly with MWDs that's always been there. It's harder to measure magnetic north with an MWD package when you're horizontal going east-west. With this particular gyro, that eliminates that problem. And what we've seen in a couple of wells, one comes to mind was 26,000 feet plus, and another was over 33,000 feet, where our probe-to-probe measurements were less than 20 feet. So that gives us a lot of confidence in the measurements that we're making, and that's something that nobody else can accomplish at this particular point in time, and we're very proud of that.
Well, thank you so much for being here, Rob, and telling us about this new technology.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it, Linda.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.